Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord again. In front of you is Bethel Fellowship, ready to present to you a memory verse and a song. Our memory verse comes from the book of Acts, chapter 2, verse 1 to 8 and 17 to 18. The Bible version is Good News. Verse 1 says, when the day of Pentecost came, all the believers were gathered together in one place. Verse 2, suddenly there was a noise from the sky which sounded like a wind. Verse 2 says, suddenly there was a noise from the sky which sounded like a strong wind blowing, and it filled the whole house where they were sitting.
Verse 3, then they saw what looked like tongues of fire which spread out and touched every person there.
Verse 4, they were all as the Spirit enabled them to speak.
Verse 5, there were Jews living in Jerusalem, religious people who had come from every country in the world. Verse 6, when they heard this noise, a large crowd gathered. They were all excited because each one of them heard the believers speaking their own language.
Verse 7, in amazement and wonder, they all exclaimed, these people were talking like this. How is it then that all of us can hear them speaking in our own native languages?
Verse 17, your young men will see visions and your old men will have dreams.
Verse 18 says, even on my servant too, both men